I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, welcome back to Dudecraft. It's great to see all your smiling faces again out there in the ether of the interwebs. Yeah, I thought my first video back after the China cam died would be me out in the shop fixing up, but unfortunately, Murphy's Law had other plans. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the dryer belt on a Whirlpool dryer. So sit back, relax, grab a beverage, and enjoy the show. Now, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work safely and smartly, and we're going to disconnect the power supply. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the lint trap. Next, let me see if you can see that. Alright, yeah, so right here are two Phillip head screws we're going to take out. Now we're going to put these aside. Now, if you don't have one, I highly recommend you pick up one of these little magnetic part tray holders from Harbor Freight. They're only a couple bucks. But the beautiful thing is, it's magnetic and it holds your screws. So it's less likely you're going to lose them. Alright, so next we're going to come over here and we're going to pull the dryer out so we have room to work. Drag you on here a little bit closer now. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Alright. So now we've got it over here. You can take like a putty knife or a screwdriver here, and we're just gonna pop it. And we're gonna open up. And let me reposition it slightly so it's leaning. Just tilt the top back so that it's out of the way. We don't have to take the thing off. Alright. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to pop off the door sensor here. It's got a little flap right there. Just stick a screwdriver in, pop it, and disconnect. Easier said than done sometimes. There we go. Woo. That was in there. Pretty good, huh? Alright. So the next order of business is we got a screw with a hex head, 5/16 size, 5/16 hex screw here on this side, and here on this side. So we're going to go ahead and take those off. So next step in the process is we're going to tilt this forward a little bit, pull back on the drum, and lift up. There we go. So now we got the front off, and we have the drum. And we're going to set this aside over here. And here is our broken belt. And I don't know if you can see, but that right there is pretty skinny. We are going to lift up on the drum, spread this apart, pull it out so we can get the new belt on. And then you see, get out of the way here. We got the motor. This looks right there. There we go. And it's supposed to be like that, not. Realize my big stupid head was in the way. Alright. So I don't know if you guys saw, but it was like this basically. So it came out. And we have to get it back in like that. This is a spring mechanism which keeps the belt tight. This is the roller. There, the roller right here. We are going to open up our packaging now. So, we have the outside of the belt and we have the grooved inside. You always want to make sure that the grooved part is on the drum, fed around those. You don't want the smooth part to be on there, otherwise you're not going to get the traction that you're supposed to get. Look at the drum, you see exactly where the belt is supposed to go. And we're just going to get it on basically, and then we're going to put it back in, and then we'll snooch everything up. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like underneath your dryer. So again, we got the belt right here. See, the reddish orange side is facing away from the drum, which is what you're supposed to do. This tension arm, and this is the motor spindle. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed the belt up through the spindle. We're going to push it back this way until we get it over the spindle arm. Let's try to make that a little neater. There we go. So there you go. So you see belt comes in through this way, goes that way. The tension arm keeps the tension on it, hence the name. And now when you spin it, you're going to see it all spinning just like it's supposed to. Alright, we're going to move my little stop block here. Good, good, stay. We are going to grab the front of our unit. Oh, hey, lucky day, I didn't even notice this. We just found 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48. We just found 49 cents in the front of our dryer. Oh, no, I lied. We found 50 cents. It's a good day. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to put hole to hole. We're going to line it up with grabby. We're going to slide it down. Sometimes you got to pretend that you're an octopus. There. Make sure. Pound it. Open up there. Make sure that this feels like it's on there, because you don't want to assemble it just to find out that you didn't put it back together right, and then it's not going to work and you might break the belt all over again. So just take your time, make sure everything's aligned. We're going to reattach. Son of a nutcracker. You know, one of these days I gotta invest in the magnetic bits. I gotta go through this rigmarole one more time. Alright, so we started by hand that time, just to make sure. We're going to start this one by hand also. Alright, there we go. Alright, it's on there. It's on there. Make sure. Alright, again, you got the little tabby thing, make sure you connect the door sensor, otherwise your dryer is not going to work. Alright, that is connected. Now, bring you over here for a grand spin. Alright, we got spinach. There's no bad resistance. There's normal resistance because it's as heavy as a 16-pound bowling ball. Probably heavier. But there you go. It works. So now, what we're going to do, let's close this back up. Give a nice little firm push down. There we go. Now that's there. We're going to go ahead and put back on our lint trap vent screws. That's that. Let's put back in our lint trap. Alright, now we're going to come back here. We're going to make sure that the vent ductwork is attached, because it's important. I'm going to take this bad boy right here. I'm going to slide them back into position. Plug it back in. Now, let's hit power on. Alright. It's got air dry now, so we're going to see if... Let me tilt you down a little here. Alright, let's see. Hit start. Sounds like it's spinning. Let's open this quick to see if we can catch it in spinning action. It spins. Alright. Let's see here. You know, the longest part of this was setting up all the camera angles to show you guys what to do. This really is a pretty simple fix. A repairman is going to charge you probably anywhere from like $100 to like $250 to change the belt. All it cost me was the tools I already had, and you know, $22 for the belt. No, I lied. I'm sorry. $24 for the belt. So $24 out of my pocket. I saved myself about $174, $176, you know, whatever it is, just because I had the gumption to do it myself. Because everybody know around here, the dollar don't stretch as far as it used to, and we ain't making what we used to. So if you can do it yourself, do it yourself. One, it's a confidence boost. You feel useful. Two, save yourself money. And three, the Dude abides. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you would be so kind, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. It's good to be back.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.